Sin.
So what are you talking about?
The metal roof. How many? He said 4.
Okay. If he needs 4, he needs 4.
Sin.
It's not crazy expensive. It's only 500 each.
Duha. Oo niya. Time pa. Magkinahanglan kag lansang kay wala ba gini dire? Sa kilo. Yan naa kay haraminta. O sige. Karon kay naa kay sikat. Palit dito sa kuan. Ha? O sige. Tagaan ti kag kwarta.
So tell me what you did there.
Huh?
Tell me what you're doing. Tell me what you're doing.
Okay, I told him if he have some instruments for the carpentry.
Tools.
Yeah. He said yes, he
All
has.
right.
So I told him that we will buy the materials now. Okay, and he will be the one to go to the hardware to buy it.
Okay, what are we buying?
We're buying some metal roof. It's 2 of it.
All right, are we going to reuse the rusted ones?
No. Oh, sige. Lansang pod. Para sa sin. So, nails, 1 kilo. And nails for the metal roof. Another kilo. Sa kilo sa. And then, 1 coconut lumber, 2 by 2 by 8.
Okay. So 2 sheets of metal is enough to cover that whole thing?
Yeah, it's 12 feet.
Okay.
So he gonna slash it.
All right, you mean
then
cut?
You're gonna fold.
You mean cut?
Cut it, yeah.
All right.
So,
All right. All right, very good. I hope you guys got all that. Probably got more than I did. All this negotiating goes on, I have no clue what's happening.
because when Dante was here, Dante said he will only need 2
Okay.
metal roof.
Okay.
And he also said it's only 10 feet.
Okay.
I don't know how he's gonna do that.
All right. What did he say?
So, yung lang po. Upa? Metal roof, 4 pieces. The length is 8 feet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay na.
Rosindo is back. He has 2 sheets of metal. They don't look like it, but they're wrapped up inside each other. And 1 piece of coconut wood. He's trying to get his tools.
We have done.
A ladder? There's Rosindo. Rosindo is taking that 2 by 2 by 8 cocoa wood and he's going to put it in the front, attach it to the end frame on the wall and the frame on the inside, which you can't see, and the coconut tree. And then he will put the sheets on top of it. He really did an interesting job there.
Replacing the roof. My mom's dirty kitchen.
I think Rosindo is trying to connect a cross piece to that one he just put up there so he can walk on top. I put a foot out there earlier and it was like it was going straight down. Let's see. That sheet metal is not that thick. Probably the thinnest kind they have. And it's all rusty. Oh, a paper, the way he's tearing it off. So Mom made the executive decision just to leave the old stuff on there. And put the new on top. That's fine with me too. Yeah.
Gunting? Naaka? Let me get some scissors.
So he's cutting the first piece with pincers, just like everybody else does. He did use a tape measure to measure it. In case you guys are wondering. I just didn't get it. Go ahead, Ron.
Kahit tayo. Oh, kuha mo lagi.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
So he's gonna put that little piece on the ground there underneath that other one. Reinforce it.
Pas lagi ito na. Kaway. Ipas na si kaway.
So Mom gave Lucindo some more instructions. She wants her tree trimmed. Anytime there's help running around here, Mom grabs a hold of them. That's good though, because that tree needed to be cut. Yeah, that's a lovely thing to happen. And I keep going doing it right. She's telling how to take it out of the gate. Yeah, he's chopping a big piece of that tree off. She won't let him. She won't let him. See, we just fixed that roof.
That tree, it's, what is it? Look at all the leaves, like it's dying.
Yeah.
Have you seen all those yellow
Yeah.
leaves there?
Yeah.